This episode of Butt Crack Cycles, we're getting a start on building a chopper. We're starting with a crusty, gross, sitting around for a long time Shovelhead right behind me. My buddy Paul, who's also a customer of mine, just bought this bike, and basically the way we're doing this is he's brought it over here to my shop. He's actually going to be helping me tear this thing apart. We're going to strip it down to a bare frame, send the frame off, get the frame neck fixed, hardtail it, and build a chopper, and then raffle it. So one of y'all will end up owning this bike. It's pretty gross. Like I said, it's been sitting a long time. This front end that's on it actually wasn't on it when we went and picked it up. You can see, you know, batteries hanging down, oil's leaking. This bike's been wrecked. That riser is cracked, and the frame neck doesn't look perfectly straight, but we can fix that. Primary's off of this thing. Brakes are off of this thing. Yeah, needs a lot of work, not a lot of TLC, but we're gonna fix it by turning it into a completely different bike. So this will be part one in the build series. Let's get working. Jesus, dude. Whoa. Here, I'll pause.
So I'm actually going to do something I don't usually do, which is just a music montage of us tearing this down to a frame. Sometimes people say I talk too much in the videos and they don't want to listen to me talk and just want to watch me work. So if you're one of those people, you should like this. Hope you enjoy.
All right, so that wraps us up with this bike for now, for this episode. Obviously, this is going to be a multi-part build, and I'm really excited about this. Like, I've never done anything like this. This will be the first bike ever that I build from a frame up. Speaking of the frame, obviously, it's pretty doinked. Y'all saw on that footage that the frame neck is twisted over to the side, and the one down leg, down tube, whatever you want to call it, is kind of caved in. I can't fix this, but I know someone who can. Already got this set up and scheduled. Got a Lowbrow Customs hardtail kit to go on it. The cutting, welding, frame neck, fixing, raking, all of that is going to be done out of house. It'll be subbed out, which is fine. Surely someone's going to write some stupid, ignorant comment about you're not really building a chopper if you're not doing that part yourself. Whatever. This has been done for generations. You know, guys 60 years ago were letting someone else who was a better welder do the welding. It's just how it goes. You got to know your own limitations. And eventually, like, I'd like to get those fabrication and welding skills to be able to do all of that kind of stuff myself and have a frame jig and blah, 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 blah. But it's just not where I'm at right now, and that's fine. I'm excited about this bike, though. This is going to be a fun build. It's going to be a cool bike when it's done. I can't wait to see one of y'all take it home and, you know, have it and ride it and love it and enjoy it. And I hope this kind of opens the door to future projects like this for me. Right now, people are bringing me bikes that are broke. You know, they bring me a Shovelhead and say, this bike's been sitting for 5 years, get it running again. Or this bike is running, but this leaks and this makes noise and this is broken. And I'm just kind of fixing stuff and handing it back to them. I'd love to get to a point in a couple of years where, in addition to people bringing me their bikes that need fixing, people also bring me a pile of parts and a frame and a title and blah, 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 and say, Paul, build me a chopper. But you got to start somewhere, and I'm super, super, super thankful for the opportunity to start here. And I'm also thankful that I get to bring y'all along for the ride. So, I'll wrap it up here. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for supporting this channel. Thanks for supporting my small business. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next episode. Bye.